Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So we're getting ready to head outside, but Alim, let's chat. Amin just chose his shoes, and now since I got him Crocs, the only thing he wants to wear is Crocs. It's really comfortable, so I just let him go ahead and do that. But anyway, quick update. Alim had a fever during the week, and I had no choice but to give him Tylenol. Normally I just try to do the natural remedies, but since I had a very busy week, I had no choice. I just went ahead and give it to him, but he is doing way better. It's all because of the teething. Another, let me see if I could show you. What do you want to say? Okay, see how he's like biting? I need to get your teeth up before we leave. Another tooth is coming in right here, so he's really been fussy.
Fussy?
Yeah, Alim is fussy. Look at your hair from the hat. Oh my gosh. Sorry that your hair looks like this. It's only because of the hat. His hair is so like a lot. He has a lot of hair. It's very thick, but yes, hat baby. I have your hat. Actually, it's on the island. Alim's hair is very thick, very, very thick, but he has a lot of hair. Like this. It's so long. Look at it. It's very long. But our first stop will be the car wash. So I'll see you guys when we get there. I mean, this is your first drive-through car wash. Mia, can you hold this one, please?
I mean, say hello. Alim is right there chilling. What if he's sleeping?
Lovey, you're gonna go through a car wash. Yeah, it's water. Yeah, you're gonna see water on the car.
You're gonna see water here too.
And on top. I mean, babe, are you showing him? Look, yeah, wash car. I should put a room. You're washing the car, baby.
Are you excited, boy?
Yes. Look at your window. You see that? Is this soap? Try to touch. I think Alim is sleeping.
He is sleeping.
That's good though. Oh, this is so clear. Oh, it's clear. Okay, whatever. Guys, we got a new car. I forgot to mention that, but we basically sold one of our cars and we took that money and added it towards getting another car. But anyway, let me give you guys a quick little car tour. Alim, you looking at your brother? Hi, baby. Let me show you guys Alim first. Hey, look, he's trying so hard to look at his brother. He doesn't want to sit straight forward. Did you just wake up? We just stopped to get some Five Guys. Hey, he's looking at his brother. That's the only reason his head is this way. But so I can't really like climb in because of the car seats. But we do have a way bigger trunk now. It's just covered with this piece that comes with the car. Then we have a mean car seat right here, and he has so much leg room. My husband just bought this at the car wash, and now I don't have to like bend to put in any car seat. I just go straight in. Alim is staring at his brother so hard. I think he's looking at his drink, babe. Come see something. Look, it's this way. He's staring at Amin's drink. Poor Alim. So this is basically the view. And we have a double sunroof. But yeah, so this is just a little clip of the car. I really like it. And again, we're just trying to stay out of debt as much as possible. So selling one car, then adding money towards getting another one is the best option for us. I came into Whole Foods for one thing. This. I tried this and I really liked it. Bean and cheese. But I came for more, but it's only 4 left, sadly. And we took no cart, so I'm just putting stuff in here. You know, sometimes people might think that others are probably stealing when they do that. But technically, do you know that like when you do stuff like this, or like if you see somebody shopping, here we could go.
Yeah, until you leave the store.
Yeah, until you leave the store, right? Like that's.
It's not a theft.
It's not a yeah.
Without paying.
Kids are here. Alim is going in on that Tika. No, baby, you're not getting down. Alim, your gums are bothering you? Cutie pie. Alim? Hey, my next cutie. We just left Target, but we always spend way more than we intend to spend. And when you have kids, just be prepared to spend money. Amin'S happy. He got what he wanted. But guys, this is way more than I thought. But we got a gift card though. $15. Huh? Yeah, you have egg. That's a lot. My head hurts. Yeah. He said head hurts? I said my head hurts. He said head hurts? So yeah, we have all the baby stuff. Baby stuff. Your brother's sleeping. You show me what you got? My hands are full. I'm just trying to open the door. It's windy. So yeah, basically we just have to go to one more store.
Mama.
Yes, baby. Is that all?
Door.
Store? Yeah, we have to go to one more store and then we're gonna go home. My dad is gonna come by today, so you wanna see daddy today? No, you wanna see granddaddy today? Yeah, he's gonna stop by. And I have a headache. I get a lot of headaches, like very often. So like when I take long to eat or whenever it's like sunny outside, I get a lot of headaches. So I have to be very careful.
Please.
Okay, open please. Okay. Target is a trap. If you want, here, let me have it. If you want to spend money, all you have to do is just go to Target. We always spend way more than we intend to at Target for some reason. I just don't know why. It's just the way the store is like set up. You go to one aisle and then you see something, and then next thing you know you see something else. What is it? Oh yeah. I'm trying to open this. Give you? I thought you asked me to open it. I'm not done. Okay, this is the last place that I'm going to. We came from the stores and now I'm just picking up some smoothies that we ordered. This is next to my school or where I used to go to school at, but the smoothies are so good. I got the Maya special, so that consists of greens and there's something else in there, I forgot. But it tastes really, really, really good. We're home. I just changed the boys into more comfortable clothing. Alim is on the floor playing. Let me get my tripod. Alim, I don't think I've shown you guys Alim fully crawling. Maybe he'll come. Let's see. Let's show Alim crawling. Let's see. Yay, Alim! Oh, he loves his brother.
Baba.
You love your brother?
Baba.
Yeah, you're always kissing Alim. He's trying to come to me. Hi, baby. Okay, we're gonna sit on Amin's bed. I'm gonna sit on your bed for now. You wanna come over? Here, let's let Alim come. Say, come, Alim. Come on, Alim. Yay! Yeah, see, Alim is even standing. Are you getting distracted, baby? He's like, should I come? You want to show them you can get up?
Get up.
He's staring at the camera. Hey. I'm having my smoothie. And the burrito that I got from Whole Foods. This is hot. It's beans and cheese. Yeah, mommy got you something. It looks like this. Is it hot? But I also got you teeter crackers. Which flavor do you want? This one? Okay, so this one is mango and pumpkin, and this one is strawberry and beet. But anyway, Alim, you can handle this. I know it. So your brother handled this like a pro when he was your age. You excited? Amin, what are you doing, baby? Amin is here drawing. Are you coloring? Okay. Let me here talking. You want to try this one, love? Uh-oh. He's like, is this for me? He's so surprised. Yeah. Yeah. You don't like it? It's good, right? No, it's not me. I don't think. Alim. Yeah. The faces that you make. The faces that you make. What happened? You don't like it? Yeah, it's his first time eating it. Okay, okay. It only you took it out. Here. Here you go. Hey. Why are you so rough? Oh my gosh, you're making a mess. He's making a mess. But he's eating it. You're doing good. Yes. What are you coloring? Who was that?
Cheese.
Chase. Nice. I like your coloring. You're doing a good job. Yeah. What color did you do? Come. What color is this? Yellow. Good job, baby. What about this one?
Red.
Yeah, red. And what other color?
Blue.
Blue. Yes. You're gonna add red to Chase? Okay, no, go ahead, do it. I'll do it when I'm done eating. Alright guys, this is the end of my video. I'm gonna go finish eating and keep an eye on Alim. Look. Are you still? He's still going at it. And then I'm gonna go color with Amin. So don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also hit that bell for any videos that I post so you won't miss anything. And I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.
Bye.
I know you want to say bye.
Bye.
Alim, do you want to say bye? Bye.